help someone else. Help. Blah, 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 blah. Welcome to Chef Gargula's Cooking School. I'm your host, William Gargula, and today we're going to be making breakfast. And for breakfast, we're going to be having pancakes with amazing toppings of your choice. The ingredients that you'll need are blueberries, banana, milk, pancake mix, and for all the sweet tooths out there, chocolate syrup. And for the weapons of choice, you'll need a bowl, fork, a big spoon, spatula, and of course a frying pan. Make sure to add all of your wet and dry ingredients and then mix thoroughly. Just like this. Make sure you stir the mixture until it is nice and smooth and there are no more clumps left. Then your pancake mixture is ready to be cooked. Light the flame or the electric stove and bring your pan to a medium heat. Now add some margarine or butter and wait for it to melt. Once melted, your pancakes are ready to be cooked. Now get a ladle or the desired amount and place onto your pan. Wait approximately a minute 30 or until you see bubbles to rise from the pancake and then flip. Pancake flip. And there you have it, perfectly made pancake. Add the toppings of your choice. In this case it will be blueberries, bananas and chocolate syrup. And there you have it, a nice breakfast, ready, pretty easy, only took about 15 minutes to make. It'll be extra tasty as well. Guys, thanks for the continual support. It's really good knowing that my videos are helping other people and they're benefiting other people, which is what I intended them to do. And it makes me happy knowing that me doing what I'd normally do every day is helping someone else out in their life. And that to me is just like a reality check. That's really good. Like, I can see that me doing what I would normally do and just filming it helps someone else improve on their life and improve on the way that they live their life. And that's really good. It's a really heartfelt moment to know that what I do is, words can't explain the feeling. Like, it's really good just knowing that someone else is watching my videos or watching a video even, and it helps them through their day. It gives them some motivation to go to the gym, or I don't know, to eat healthier or stick to a diet if they started it, whatever it is. It's really good knowing that me putting out content is helping someone else in their life. That's really good, and I enjoy it, and I'm really thankful for you guys. Without you guys, I wouldn't be in the position I would be now to help people. And you know, I know it's only early days, as in like I don't have many subscribers and stuff, but growing takes time. If I'm consistent and I keep doing what I'm doing, obviously people will see that and more people will subscribe, my channel will get bigger. And yeah, that's just really, really good knowing that I'm helping someone. Thanks you guys. Everyone who was watching, thank you. Thank you for helping me. Peace!
Used to be so happy, but without you here I feel so low. I watch you as you left, but I can never seem to let you go. Cause once upon a time you were my everything. It's clear to see that time hasn't changed a thing. It's very deep inside me, but I feel there's something you should know. I will never forget you. You will always be by my side. From the day that I met you, I knew that I would love you till the day I die. And I will never want much more. And in my heart I will always be sure. I will never forget you. And you will always be by my side till the day I die. Day I die, 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 day I die. just gotta know that these things fall through.
I'm still tired, I can't hide my connection with you. Feeling it, loving it, everything that we do. All along, I knew it.
So as promised on Facebook, I set myself a push-up challenge. I said for as many likes as I get, I'll do that same amount of push-ups. So I got 34 likes, but instead of doing just 34 push-ups, because I don't have many friends, I'll triple it and I'll do 100. So I'll do 100 push-ups, probably not straight. I'll give it a shot.
The day I die, 'cause I won't ever want much more. And in my heart, I will always be sure that I will never forget you. You will always be by my side till the day I die.
Oh, my arms. Oh. This is such a challenge. I've never done the 100 before. Oh, come on! 99. 100. One for good luck. There you go, 100 push-ups completed, as I said, and I did one for good luck. So, that'll conclude the video, or at least the gym workout for today, guys. Catch you.